Hi everyone, today I'll play Subway Surf with you. You see, the one I hacked it, I'll play it also. It's hacked, yani. I don't know why it's leading me. I'll take 1000, then I hacked it, yeah. Okay, see? Let's start playing. I don't know who this خنزير. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. I'll win 1000 even because I have millions of keys. Oh. I have millions also. What? What? Oh no, because new high school, wow. Okay, no problem. I'll show you another thing. Me, no, I don't want me. Tube one. Me, ball, gift, yes. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, it's good, yeah. 110. I'll take 110. 110k.
يلا دي بقى فيديو حركات.
Okay. And now we'll get first. Okay. Shop. No. Me. Where's the start? No, where's the shop? Shop. I want to buy all. Yes. 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 I'm champion. I'm master. Legend. I buy all. Double coins. Yes. I don't have internet now. Open box immediately. Oh, has open box immediately. Once it is hard. Open box immediately. This. I want to skip mission to close TV. No problem. I will update. No, I will update the red app. Red bag. Super sneakers, going Magnum, so good. If you didn't see the how to hack Subway Surf, I'll leave it for you here in the description. Okay, I'll leave for you the script. I want how I have to. What? I did.
عاوز عليك فضيحتك.
Okay, yeah.
عليك فضيحتك بس وقف.
1 minute, I don't know what happened.
وقف يلا وقف.
Okay, oops. Oh, okay. What happened?
شوف فضيحتك يلا عبد عمل لك بنت.
It's okay. I know I lose. Yes. I don't know how I did it. What?
ازيك يا عبد الله عامل كويس؟ طب تعالى نلعب كده.
Collect. Don't have internet. I don't know me. What? Okay, no problem. I want the board. This. Turn on. Lock it. What happened to the board? Yeah. Look this deep. You should go this here. You should go this up. And this chicky. You can't have the one with what is this? Oh, that's good. What one has don't know what, but I didn't see it. Wow, it's speeding up. Okay, bye. See you again. And I'll leave you how to hack Subway Surf here in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you liked, I'll do another video of hacking. And if you subscribe, you'll take a gift. If you want to know what the gifts in the description box. Also, I said what to do the competition and how to hack Timber 1. I will say that in the description box. Bye.
بس يا عبد الله كفايه عرفنا والله.